Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make 4 dishes using a whole sibling. In Japan, a sibling is called Tai. It's a very popular fish and now it's the best season. This time I'm going to show you how to make Thai soup, Thai rice, 2 types of sashimi, and nitsuke. Everything is really famous dish. I hope you enjoy this video. Yes, let's go! First, I'm going to descaling with this scaler. Sea bream scales are very hard, so I remove them carefully. Applying water will prevent the scales from scattering. Once most of the scales are removed, switch to the deba knife. I'm going to check whether there are not scales with it, especially close to the fins. Please make sure not to hurt the meat. Okay. I'm going to remove the head and the innards. I cut diagonally from head to belly. When we remove the innards, we shouldn't hurt it. And cut off the spine. When we cut the spines, it's easier to cut at the joints. I open the skin carefully and remove the innards with bottom side of the debber. Oh, I got eggs too. Then I cut a blood line to clean out the blood easily. Okay. And then I clean out the blood with a toothbrush and get rid of the remaining innards too. Good. Yes, I've cleaned it. And cut the fins off. Then I divide the head into half. I recommend to use a towel not to slip it. It's a bit dangerous because the head bone is so hard. Please take care of hurting. The bottom side of the debber is very strong so that we can do it more easily than other knives. Debber is very useful. Okay, and I cut off camel. Good. Next, this is a scaled sibling. I'm going to fillet into 3 pieces. I cut it along the spine. It's important to slice the debber smoothly. And I cut off the ribs. And then separate the fillet from the spine. Okay, I'm going to separate the other side too. I move the debber just on the spine. I also slice the debber smoothly. I make a cut, tail side. Once we separate it to the middle part, cut off the ribs. And then I turn it and cut off the fillet from the spine. Okay, I'm going to divide the bone into 3. Good. I've got 2 fillets. And I'm going to remove the ribs. Separate the ribs from the pin bones. I move the debber with the blade facing upwards. And remove the ribs carefully, not to lose the meat. It's a little bit difficult to remove the ribs. When I was a student, I had lost the belly meat so much. If you cut off the meat so much, I recommend to use it for taking a stock. I do the same the other side too. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the pin bones. When we do it, we place fillet facing right. Then, pull the bones towards the upper right. Okay, I've removed all pin bones. Next, I'm going to cut it into appropriate size for cooking. Good. These 2 are for sashimi. This one is for Thai rice. These two are for Thai soup. And these three are for nituke. And then I'm going to take a stock from these. Finally, I'm going to also use the eggs to nitsuke. First, I'm going to take a stock. I sprinkle salt over all. And let it stand for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'm going to the kitchen. This is hot water just before boiling point. I add them into the pot. Once they become white, I transfer them to the ice cold water. Then I clean out the blood carefully using toothbrush and remove scales, gears, and innards by hand. It's very important to take a nice clear stock. Good. This is 1200 grams water. I add 100 grams sake. And add Thai head and bones. Finally, I add a dried kelp too. Turn on the heat. Once the stock boils, I scoop the foam carefully. It's also an essential part to make tasty stock. Okay, simmer it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I'm going to taste it. Great. Okay, I drain a sieve. Nice clear stock is done. And then I remove the meat from the bones and head quickly. These Thai flakes are also delicious. So I'll add them to the Thai rice. Next, I'm going to prepare them for soup and rice. This fillet is for rice. I make a cut to heat it evenly. And this kama is for soup. I sprinkle salt both sides. Okay. Turn on the heat. And I grill them over high heat. 6 minutes later. First kama is done. And 3 minutes more. It's also cooked. Good. Nice browned. Okay. I'm going to make a soup first. Add the stock to the pot. Turn on the heat. I add a pinch of salt. And the sake about half of teaspoon. Then I add snow pears. At last, a bit light soy sauce. And taste it. Nice. Arrange on the bowl. I place kama into the bowl. And snow pears. Then I pour the Thai soup. Okay, first dish, beautiful clear soup with Thai kama is done. Next, I'm going to make Thai rice. These are 4 sheets of shiso. I slice them very thinly. Okay, I keep it in the fridge. Then I add 400 grams rinsed rice. And add 400 grams stock, 20 grams soy sauce, a pinch of salt, 10 grams sake. And then I place a Thai fillet. Okay, let's cook it. Yes, done. I mix it. And add Thai flakes too. Arrange it on a bowl. Good. Second dish, Thai rice is done. Next, I'm going to make sashimi. I cover Thai fillet with wet cloth and pour hot water to eat it with skin. And then transfer it to the ice-cold water as soon as possible. Once it's chilled, remove and wipe the excess water out. Okay. Before slice it, I make a cut to eat the skin comfortably. Okay. This cutting way is called hirazukuri. Move the knife sharply and widely. Next, I remove the skin from this fillet. Make a cut like this and move the knife up and down. I'm conscious of the blade is facing horizontally. Good. Then I slice it. This cutting way is called sogigiri. I use a yanagi knife widely. Let's arrange on a plate. First, I place daikon garnish and arrange two types of sashimi. At last, I place wasabi. Yes, third dish sashimi is done. Finally, I'm going to make nituke. This is a burdock. We often use it when we make nitsuke. I'm going to divide it into quarters. And I remove the spongy part. Then I cut them about 3 centimeters. Okay. These are Thai fillets. I place in the hot water for 1 moment. And transfer them to the ice-cold water. Okay. This is 300 grams water. And I add 100 grams sake, 50 grams mirin, 50 grams soy sauce, sliced ginger, and burdock. At last, 15 grams sugar. Okay. I'm going to heat it. I simmer this over high heat. Once it boils, turn down the heat and simmer it for 5 minutes. And then I add Thai fillets. And clean washed eggs too. It's very fragile, so touch it gently. Okay. I cover with a lid and simmer. Once it boils, skim off the foam carefully. And simmer it for 3 minutes more. Good. I'm going to arrange them on a plate. Yes, first dish, nitsuke is done. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I used a whole sibling and made 4 dishes. So this video is a little bit longer than usual. I wish it's interesting and useful for you. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.